Welcome to our channel, Anything Under the Sun. In today's video, we are going to share
how to cook crispy fried chicken at home.
Ingredients needed: 1 kilogram chicken, crispy fry breading mix for 1 kilogram, salt, ground black pepper, and 3 cups of oil. Let us start. First things first is to marinate this with
salt and
pepper.
and the
Seasoning. We're going to wash that one.
Wash the chicken 3 times.
Add some salt. Okay, and mix it together. And the pepper. Okay, that's it. We're gonna add fried crispy original chicken breading in the 1 kilo.
Add chicken. And now let's add the crispy fried breading mix. Mix and leave them for 20 to 30 minutes.
Turn on medium heat and preheat the pot with cooking oil. Put 3 cups of oil.
When oil is heated, you can start deep frying. Put 6 chicken at a time so that they will cook very well and achieve the crispiness. Deep fry the chicken for about 8 to 10 minutes and until it turned brown. From time to time, flip the chicken to cook it well.
We're done frying. Shout out to Jerry and Pag-asa Arca from the Philippines. Thank you for requesting us to do this video and God bless.